explain this.
Ow. It's pistachio ice cream.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
I'm just trying to watch The Parent Trap.
Watch your head.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
Oh, it's cold.
Get my life. Just exotic.
Oh no, are you stuck in the... Oh, good job. No, they are my chicken nuggets.
Most dangerous animal on this planet.
Dude. Okay, I got... Oh, stop.
Yeah, I love you.
Come on.
It's gonna be hot.
Oh my goodness.
Stepper.
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone.
Izzy.
Are you stuck? Oh! It's not yours. You.
Hey, that's gonna be cute. Go. Oh, it's cold.
The king.
Say yeah!
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
Hey, Spicy.
يا كلبة يا كلبة.
Excuse me.
You good? You gotta lay it down.
My baby, you're my baby.
No, I'm trying.
Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no.
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
Oh, gee. Oh, what?
Evie.
I'm sorry, I just asked a question.
Go over everything for the wedding and just...
Oh!
Is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him, and then I start talking like this.
Are you embarrassed?
Hey, producer. Check out the frosting. Oh, buddy.
Not our $2 chair. Stop messing with me.
You ready? Hold on. Okay.
Me encanta para que haga su chamba con la mariposa.
kitty.
All day without you doing something bad.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Besties. This one's mean as fuck.
Hello. Ow! No!
Meow!
That's a sin. No.
Hey, girl.
Ow! No! Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Don't do that!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Excuse me. George!
Info.